Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a failing oil pressure sensor or switch and it's time to replace it? The oil pressure sensor or switch is going to be located directly on the oil filter housing or on the engine block. If you notice the oil warning light is on, it is possible that you might have a bad oil pressure sensor or switch. Before trying to diagnose for a bad sensor or switch, I always make sure that the engine oil level is not low. And also, if the engine oil is extremely dirty, it is best to replace the engine oil before trying to diagnose the oil pressure sensor or switch, because a very dirty engine oil can cause the oil pressure switch or sensor to become clogged. How do you know the oil pressure sensor or switch is failing? The first sign is you're going to notice the oil warning light is going to turn on. You're going to notice the check engine light is going to turn on, and you're going to get some sort of code such as P0420 to P0424. The next sign of a failing oil pressure sensor or switch is that you're going to notice the oil warning light. It is going to turn on and off and on and off, and that is going to be an intermittent issue. The next sign of a failing engine oil sensor or switch is going to be inaccurate reading. If you notice the needle on the oil pressure gauge is showing inaccurate reading and it is somewhat fluctuating, that's how you know you're going to have a bad sensor or switch. The next sign of a failing oil pressure sensor or switch is that when you look at the oil pressure gauge and if you notice that the needle is stuck on either low or high, that's how you know you're going to have a bad sensor or switch. How do you know if oil pressure sensor or switch is the problem and you don't have any mechanical issue? Well, if you notice the engine is running fine and it's not making any noise at all, and you notice that the engine is just running smoothly overall, then that's how you know you're going to have a bad oil pressure sensor or switch. However, if you notice the engine is running rough and you're hearing noise coming from the engine, well, that's going to be another issue. It is possible you might actually have a bad oil pump. What causes the oil pressure sensor or switch to fail? And the first and most common problem is dirty engine oil. When that engine oil is extremely dirty, it can cause the oil pressure sensor to clog. The second most reason why the sensor or switch fail is going to be caused by engine oil leak. When there's an engine oil leak, it's going to get all over on the oil pressure sensor or switch and it can cause it to not function properly. So make sure that the oil filter is not leaking. Make sure you don't have a bad oil pressure sensor or switch seal or gasket, and also make sure that if you see oil coming out of the connected area, that's how you know you're going to have a bad sensor or switch. The next reason why the sensors or switch fail is going to be caused by either a bad connector or a bad wire. So due to its location, it is always exposed to engine heat, and engine heat can cause the wire and the connector to become brittle and cause it to fail. When you change your engine oil and oil filter, most likely engine oil can get all over on the sensor and it can cause issue to it. So make sure to clean out the engine oil. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.